Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher. Today we are going to do the work from worksheet pad. Take out your worksheet pads and open the page where a table of elements and symbol is given in the science section. In this worksheet we are going to learn the names of elements, their symbols, and what are their atomic number and what are their atomic mass. Then we will find out the number of electrons, protons, and neutrons. Now table is given on your worksheet pad. First column is of element label, in which element symbol and atomic number and atomic mass is given. Second column is element name. In this column all the names of elements are written. Next column element symbols. You have to write down the element symbols from taking the letter from first column and write it down in the third column, right? Next column is atomic number. The smaller number which is given in the element label is the atomic number. Next column is atomic mass. In this column you have to write the greater number which is given in the atomic element label is the atomic mass. Number of proton, I will tell you about number of proton, electrons, and number of neutrons. First of all you have to write the names of elements, symbols of elements in this column. The first element is hydrogen. Its symbol is H. Second element is He, helium. This is for helium. Capital H and small e. Next is lithium. The symbol of lithium is capital L and small I. Next element is beryllium. The symbol for beryllium is capital B and small e. Next is boron. Capital B is just written for the symbol of boron. Capital C for carbon, capital N for nitrogen, capital O for oxygen, capital F for fluorine, capital N and small e for neon, and capital N and small a is for sodium, Mg is for magnesium, aluminum is Al is for aluminum, silicon Si, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K, and calcium Ca. Now I will zoom in for you so you can see it clearly. H is for hydrogen. I am repeating, capital H and small e is for helium, Li for lithium, Be for beryllium, C for carbon, N for nitrogen, O for oxygen, F for fluorine, Ne for neon, sodium Na, magnesium Mg, aluminum Al, Si silicon, phosphorus P, sulfur S, chlorine Cl, argon Ar, potassium K, and calcium Ca. I have repeated all the elements which are given in the this table. Now atomic number. The number which is given here, the smaller number is the atomic number. You can see number 1 is written on the right hand of hydrogen, H, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5. Just like that you have to write the atomic number in the fourth column, right? And in next column you have to write the greater number atomic mass. 1 for hydrogen, 4 for helium, 7 for lithium, and so on. magnesium 24, aluminum 27, silicon 28, phosphorus 31, sulfur 32, chlorine 35.5, which is written here, argon 40, potassium 39, and calcium 40. You can see here clearly. You have to copy down it in your worksheet pad. You can take a screenshot of this screen and do it in the worksheet pad. Now next column is number of protons and number of electrons. The atomic number is the same as the number of protons and number of electrons. So you have to write here the atomic number which we have written in this column. You have to write in this column number of protons, this column, and number of electrons. Just you have to write down, copy down the atomic number, because the number of electron and number of proton are same as the atomic number, right? Now you can see number of proton and number of electron are the same. Now move on to last column, number of neutron. You have to calculate the number of neutrons. Number of neutron can be find out by minus the atomic number from the atomic mass. You have to minus Z from A. That means 1 minus 1 will be 0. 4 minus 2 will be 2. 2 will be written in this column. 7 minus 3 will be 4. Right? 2, then 4, then 9 minus 4, 5, 11 minus 5, 6, 12 minus 6 is equals to 6, 14 minus 7 will be 7, 16 minus 8 will be 8, and so on. Now this is the whole table which you have to do in your worksheet pad. You can take a screenshot or write it down from here. I hope you understood the whole table. Now complete the worksheet pad, this page of worksheet pad. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.